Contra Costa County Divorce Step-by-Step Guide. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're filing for divorce in Contra Costa County, the process can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. When you understand the steps involved and follow the correct order, you can get through your divorce smoothly, efficiently, and without unnecessary delays. Let's walk through the step-by-step process of filing for divorce in Contra Costa County. The first step is preparing your initial divorce forms. This includes the petition and summons, and if you have children, the UCCJEA form. These forms must be filled out completely and accurately before they can be filed with the court. Next, you'll file your paperwork with the Contra Costa County Court. The county accepts both in-person and electronic filing, but e-filing is often the faster and more convenient option. Once your documents are filed, the court will issue a case number and return filed copies to you. After filing, the next step is serving your spouse. This means delivering a copy of the filed documents to them according to the court's rules. If your spouse is cooperative, they can sign a notice of acknowledgement, which avoids the need for personal service. Both parties will then need to complete and exchange preliminary financial disclosures. These are required by law and must be done before the court will approve your final judgment. Skipping or rushing through this step is one of the most common reasons cases are delayed or rejected. If you and your spouse agree on all terms, such as dividing property, handling support, and parenting responsibilities, you can prepare a marital settlement agreement and move forward with submitting your judgment for court review. We recently helped a couple in Contra Costa County who had all the pieces in place, but were unsure about the court's exact process. We handled everything from form preparation and service to e-filing and final judgment. Their case was completed without any rejections or court appearances. At Divorce 661, we guide you through every step of the process, making sure all your paperwork is correct, complete, and filed properly. We specialize in flat-fee, amicable divorces and know exactly how Contra Costa County courts operate. If you want help getting your divorce started or need assistance finalizing a case that's already in motion, visit Divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation. We'll walk you through the process step by step and get your divorce completed quickly and correctly.